Sardar Patel Educational Institute, Shri G.M. Donda Primary School welcomes you all. Good morning, students. Welcome to today's e-learning session. Today we will study chapter number 7, Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. Now let's revise what is an adjective. Adjective gives us more information about people, animals or things represented by noun or pronoun. Adjective modify or describe features and qualities of people, animals or things. Now let's see what is degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Adjectives change in the form when they show comparison. The degree of comparison in English grammar are made with the adjective or adverb words to show how big or small, high or low, more or less, many or few, etc. of the quality, numbers and position of the noun, that is, of person, animal, thing, place, in comparison to the other mentioned in the other part of the sentence or expression. Now let's see. Adjective of degree of comparison. There are three types of degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. For example, Priya is as tall as the bookshelf. Here there is no comparison. We are talking about Priya and bookshelf, but they both are same. So we are not comparing with anything or anybody. Comparative degree. My dog is faster than my cat. Here we are comparing dog with cat. We are saying that dog is faster than my cat. Superlative degree. Aunt Jane is the oldest. Here, oldest means it is older than any other person in the family. Aunt Jane is oldest among all of the family members. So, we are talking about Aunt Jane and we are comparing with other family members. And we are comparing with more than two persons, so it is known as superlative degree. Let's see few examples of degrees of comparison. Tall, taller, tallest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Easily, more easily, most easily. Large, larger, largest. High, higher, highest. Low, lower, lowest. Little, less, least. Fast, faster, fastest. So children, you have seen here that we are changing the word when we are comparing or with two person or when we are comparing with more than two person. If we are not comparing, then we are using the same word. But if we are comparing with two person, we are changing into comparative degree. And when we are comparing more than two person, we are changing into superlative degree. Now let's see in the brief. Positive degree. An adjective is said to be in the positive degree when there is no comparison. So children, when we are talking about only one person or when we are talking about two person but they both are same, at that time we use positive degree form, and that is known as positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective make no comparison. It just modify or gives more information about a noun. For example, he is an intelligent boy. So children, you have seen here that we are not comparing with anybody. We are only just saying that he is an intelligent boy. There is no comparison between anybody. Big. So here we are saying that an apple is big. So we are not comparing with anybody or anything. Next example, the house is big. So here also we are talking about only one house, and that we are saying that the house is big. So we are not comparing with anybody or any other house. Comparative degree. An adjective is said to be in comparative degree when it is used to compare two nouns or pronouns. In short, comparative degree means when two people, things or place are being compared with one adjective or adverb to show that one has more quality or quantity of the adjective or adverb than others. The conjunction then is used to connect the two clauses. Its format is noun or subject or pronoun plus be plus adjective plus are or er plus than plus noun or object pronoun. So let's see example. Ahmad is taller than Ali. Here Ahmad is noun. To be form is taller, adjective is tall, and we are adding er to show the comparison between Ahmad and Ali, and then is used, conjunction then is used, and afterwards Ali noun is used. So Ahmad is taller than Ali. So we are comparing two persons, Ahmad and Ali. So we use the form of adjective taller. He is stronger than me. Here he is pronoun, to be form is, adjective is strong. We are adding er to the adjective, and afterwards we will use than as conjunction and me as pronoun. So we are talking about two persons, he and me. We are comparing two persons, so we use comparative degree. Big, if it is positive, we are talking about one apple, then we will say big. But when we are comparing two apples, then we will say bigger. One apple is big, first apple is smaller, or second apple is bigger than the first one. Yes, so here we are comparing two apples. Next, the house is big, but my house is bigger. So first we have seen that, we have said that the house is big. But when we are talking about two houses and we are comparing, we will say that the house is big but my house is bigger. You can see in the picture also that my house is bigger than the other one. Clear? Now let's see superlative degree. An adjective is in superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns. We use the article the before the superlative degree. Superlative degree means, in short, we use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons, animals or things with one another. It is the highest degree of quality. Let's see formation of the superlative degree. Noun or pronoun plus be plus the plus adjective plus est plus noun or pronoun. For example, Jamal is the tallest boy in our class. Here, Jamal is the noun, be form is, the adjective is tall. We will add est to it. It becomes tallest boy in our class. It is noun. So, we are comparing in whole class, Jamal is the tallest boy. So, among all the boys, Jamal is tall. She is the smartest girl in her class. Here also we are talking about one girl and we are comparing it with the whole class. So, we will use superlative form. Next, see, we have seen this we will see here 3 apple and the last one is biggest among all. So, when we are talking about third apple, then we will say biggest. Third apple is biggest among all the apples. Next, the biggest house on the block was for sale. So, biggest means there are more than 2 houses and we are comparing with more than 2 houses and the biggest one is on sale. We are saying that the one which is biggest, it is on the sale. Formation of comparative and superlative degree of adjective. Adjective usually form their comparative and superlative degree. Let's see its formation. Number 1. In simple, by adding er or est to the positive degree. For example, bright. Comparative form of bright is brighter. We have just add er to it. Superlative form is brightest. Here we have add est to the form of positive degree bright. Fast, faster, fastest. Great, greater, greatest. Long, longer, longest. Reach, richer, richest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. So children, you have seen here that in all the positive form, we have just add er and est to make comparative and superlative form respectively, ending in e. So children, when the positive form end with e, we will just put r or st to the positive form to make it comparative and superlative form. Brave, B-R-A-V-E. Here brave ends with E, so we will just add R to form comparative degree. Braver, and we will just add ST to form superlative degree. Bravest. Large, larger, largest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Wise, wiser, wisest. White, whiter, whitest. These all words end with E, so we just put R and ST to form comparative and superlative form. Third one. When the positive end in Y and has a consonant before it, we change Y into I and then add ER and EST. That is, by deleting the final Y and adding IER and IEST. So, children, you all know what is vowel and what is consonant. A, E, I, O, U are all vowels and rest are consonant. So, when the word end with Y and before it there is consonant, we will just remove Y and we will put IER to form comparative degree and IEST to form superlative degree. Costly, costlier, costliest. That is, we are removing Y and we will put IER, because Y, before Y there is L, and L is consonant. So we will remove Y and we will put IER to form comparative degree, that is costlier, and IEST to form superlative degree, that is costliest. Dry, drier, driest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Let's see example. See, dirty, dirtier, and dirtiest. That is, first one is dirty, second one is more dirty than first one, and third one is dirtiest among all of three. Next, when the positive degree end in a consonant with a vowel before it, we will double the consonant and then add ER and EST to form comparative and superlative degree. That is big. Here, big and with consonant, that is G, and before G there is vowel I. So we will double the consonant, that is we will make BI double GER to form comparative degree and BI double GEST to form superlative degree. Fat, fatter, fattest. Here fat also end with consonant and before consonant there is vowel. So we will double the consonant. We will make FATTER, fatter and fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Here N is consonant and before N there is vowel, that is I. So we will double the consonant. We will make THINNER to form comparative degree, that is thinner, and we will make THINNEST to form superlative degree, that is thinnest. Big, bigger, biggest. Next, by adding ER and EST to the positive degree when it ends in Y and has a vowel before it. So, before Y there is vowel, then we will just add ER and EST to form comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, gay, gayer, gayest. Grey, grayer, greyest. Here, before Y there is vowel, that is gay means G-A-Y, gay. Here, before Y there is A and that is vowel. So, we will just put ER and EST to form comparative and superlative degree. Next, by placing more and most before the positive form. So, when we are talking about two-syllable word, that time we will put more and most to form comparative and superlative degree. That is active, more active and most active. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Careful, more careful, most careful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Famous, more famous, most famous. Suitable, more suitable and most suitable. So, we are not adding ER and EST to form comparative and superlative. We will just put more and most before the positive form of the verb. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Some adjectives do not follow any of the rules explained earlier. They are compared irregularly. Here are the different forms of such adjectives. Good, comparative form is better and superlative form is best. Bad, comparative form is worse and superlative form is worst. Little, comparative form is less and superlative form is least. Much, comparative form is more and superlative form is most. Old, comparative form is elder and superlative form is eldest. So children, we are not adding er, est or more and more to form comparative and superlative. These are irregular, so their spell change fully. Let's see example. Positive degree, his new car is bad. Here we are not talking about any other car. We are only talking about his car. So we are not comparing also. So we will say his new car is bad. Now comparative degree, we will compare two cars. But the old one was worse. So here we are talking about new one and old one, both the car. So we will say old one was worse. Superlative degree, the car he borrowed was the worst. So here we are talking about more than two cars and we are saying that that car is worse than all other cars. Let's see exercise. February is the dash month of the year. So here we are talking about February and we are comparing with the whole year. So we will use shortest. We will add est to the form short. Mary is prettier than Susan. Here we are comparing two persons, Mary and Susan. So we will put IER as Y. It ends with Y and before Y it has consonant. So we will remove Y and we will make IER. Next, she earns a lot more money than I do. So here we are comparing two persons. So it will become more. Tom is feeling very angry. Here we are not comparing with anybody with Tom. So it is positive degree. Tom is feeling very angry. Next, she is as thin as a stick. So here we are talking about two things, but we are not comparing them. We are just saying that both are same. So we will put positive form. This is the best movie I have ever seen. So here we are talking about the movie which we have seen earlier, and among them this is the best one. So there we will use superlative form. Next, I am the luckiest mother in the world. Here we are comparing with other mother of the world. So we will put superlative form of lucky, that is luckiest. It also ends with Y and it has consonant before it. So we will remove Y and we will put IEST. This is worse than that. Here we are comparing two things. So we will put comparative form of bad, that is worse. Next, what is the latest update from the border? Here we are using superlative form because we are talking about the latest update and we are comparing with other updates from the border. Honey is sweeter than milk. Here we are comparing honey and milk. So we will put comparative form of sweet, that is sweeter.